Hey folks, Junior here with another video for Junior's reviews and how-to videos. Today's video is for, just got it in, is the Kasa spot, Kasa Smart, which is by TP-Link. So this one's gonna go into one of the bedrooms. So whenever I'm away, I can keep an eye on my dad, basically. So this is an indoor model. You could actually just put it on a desktop or nightstand or whatever it may be and get it to work. I'm going to be installing it. I'm going to be putting it into onto a wall. So I'm going to show you how to do that as well. Part of the video is that also. So you get this, basically you get this here. This is which shows you where to drill your holes. And I'm gonna show you later, if you don't have a drill, what to do. It's fairly easy. So, you know, some people don't have a drill, so I'm gonna show you how to do that. So this basically, it shows you where you have to make your holes for the plate that holds the camera in place. So this is the little quick guide, basically for the camera. It basically tells you to download the Kasa app, which is something that I've done right there. Okay, and then there you go. So that's the Kasa Smart, and you just follow. You know, it's going to ask you to connect to your network. So it's pretty simple. Once you download the app and you plug this in, it's going to show you exactly what to do. So this is what I was saying. You could actually just put that down there. It has a little bit like a little rubber on the bottom, so it holds, so it won't slip or move. It stays okay. And this is fully tilt. From what I understand, it also has the night vision. You can have it on night vision patrol mode, two-way audio, so you can hear and you can also speak. That's one of the reasons why I got it. So, and it has the real time tilt. So this is the actual camera. You can see it there. It's pretty cute. So I'm gonna have it more like this onto the wall. So I'm gonna show you how to do that later on in this video. I just wanted to show you how it comes in, you know, packed up. Just got this yesterday. Today's Sunday. I got this on Saturday. So this is obviously the little plug. Oh, okay, and here's a little plate that I was telling you about. So basically, this is the guide for the plate. So this is gonna show you where to put the holes, and this matches the holes that are on the plate. And then once the plate is on the wall or wherever it may be that you attach it to, basically, so just say this is on the wall, you just put the plate on here and then turn it, and then it holds the camera in place, okay, with the two holes into the wall. And then you know, whenever you want to take it down, you just turn it, comes out, take the camera down, move it to a different area. And this is the wire that it comes with to plug it in. And that's about it. So this again is the TP-Link Kasa Smart indoor 24/7 recording as well. So I'm going to stop this video for now, and when I come back, I'm going to show you how to install the wall plate, let's call it, and how to put this on to the wall. So I'll be back with the next part of this video in a few minutes. And I'll also leave a link for this camera on the bottom of the description. And just in case I forget later on, I always thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. And I ask you to please like, share, and subscribe. I'll be back in a few minutes with the installation of the Kasa Smart camera. Okay, so I downloaded the app, I powered up, and I added the camera to to the app on my phone. So everything's working. That was very quick. It actually had me doing a software update, so that's what took the longest. That took less than 5 minutes. But so basically, it shows you step by step. And again, this is for Apple or Android phones. Yeah. And so now what I wanted to show you was basically how to install this. You could, like I mentioned before, you could install it. Well, not install it, but you could actually leave it on top of a desktop or a nightstand or whatever it might be. And you could also install it on a ceiling, like facing down. But this room, particularly the one I'm in right now, and the one this is the room that I'm putting it. My ceilings they're not even ceiled. They're not straight. Let's say they're on angles. They're sloped. So I don't want to do that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on the wall. Okay. So I started already just to have a point of reference. So it comes with this guide, like I mentioned before. So this guide is what it basically does. This is the same backing of the plate that the camera is going to go on. So, okay, so I already did one hole here. Hope you can see that. And I already put the little anchor in the wall. So what you would do is, you really want to mark both of them. Okay, and that's where you're going to have both holes for your anchor. Now, what I had mentioned also before is some people don't have drills, which is fine. So if you don't have one of these, that's perfectly fine. I'm going to teach you how to make the holes without a drill. So what you would do in this case is, all right, once you know where the holes are going to go, where you decided where you want the camera, you could leave that there, but there's no need to. So just remove this guide, and like I did here, if you don't have a drill, what you do is you find a Phillips head screwdriver. If you have this, everyone should have a Phillips screwdriver. So you find one basically the same size as the little anchor, which what I did. I'm gonna put this right in the middle here, and simple as that. 3-4 little bangs, and you're good. Anchor goes in the wall. Okay, just push it in with your fingers. And that's what's going to hold the plate in there. So again, if you don't have a drill, just grab a Phillips head screwdriver, make 2 little holes. Now, what you can do too, this is a little more if you have a stud finder, okay? I actually have a stud here. So if you didn't want to use anchors like that, and you wanted to go straight into the studs, that's another thing you can do. You could do that with wood screws. But I don't want to complicate things. I want to show you exactly how to do it with what they're giving you. So, but this is just, something else extra to find studs and all that. By the way, this is a great thing to have because it not only finds studs, but it finds metal, AC. I'll see if I can find the link to this, and I'll leave it at the bottom of the video, along with the camera, of course. But this is a pretty cool tool to have. But again, let's not get into too much craziness. I'm just going to show you, like I did, how to do this without a drill, without any power tools. So again, you use that guide for the plate, put the holes, make the holes really simple, and then you put the little anchors. Now you grab your plate and the screws that it came with, and you just put the little screws in the holes. Super easy to do. I mean, this literally should just take you a few minutes to do. All right, there's one. Don't over tighten, especially if you have to move it around a little bit. And here goes the second one. Okay. And I mean, this is how easy this is. Oh, I'm sorry if I'm blocking that, but now you can tighten it up a little more now that you're in position and your plate is all set. And here's the camera again. It's wired up. Again, like I said before, you could actually just leave it on a desktop or whatever it might be because it has the little rubber things. But in this case, I wanted to pan over my father just in case I need to keep an eye on him and he needs anything. So now, put this on here, put it on the plate, put it on. You can put it on like that. And the camera will adjust itself. Once it starts moving around, it's detecting. You can, the camera will move itself when I turn it on. Right now I don't have it on because I'm filming this, but basically that's all you have to do. Okay, and whenever you have to take it down, you just turn it and it comes off. Super easy. Now, if you want to have the wire facing down, you can do that, or facing up, whatever you might do. Just have to move, just play with this and put it in the position that you would have to put it for it to either go like this or, the wire down, directly all the way down. That depends on your taste, on whatever you like. I don't particularly mind it, so if it's on the side like that, it's perfectly fine. This will adjust by itself. It'll go in its position by itself. It is probably better to have this thing facing down so the wire is completely out of the way. So if that's the case, you would make, instead of having the holes on the sides, you would have the holes top and bottom, and the plate would be different, which I could also do that. So I'm gonna stop this right now real quick, and I'm gonna show you how to do that, just in case you want to see how the wire is facing downwards. Some people prefer that better. So I'll be right back to show you that. Okay, so same concept as before. Don't mind the holes, I can spackle that. I just want to show you guys and gals different ways to do this, okay? So again, you don't have power tools, you just grab the Phillips head screwdriver and a hammer, and this is the way I had it before. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change it up so that you can have the wire facing downwards if that's what you prefer, So this is your guide. This is basically the distance of the two screws that are on the plate. Let's put that there nice and straight. Okay, that's your guide. Again, you grab your Phillips head screwdriver. You put it right in the middle here. That's how simple that is. 1, 2, 3. You can leave that there like I said, but why? Take it down. Goes nice and easy, nice and quick. Grab your plate. Put the screws in. Don't screw all the way in yet, just in case you have to wiggle it a little bit. Grab your other screw. Put it in place. And that's how simple this is. Anyone can do this. Okay, now you do tighten it up more so the anchors open up in the wall and everything's nice and secure. All right. And now for you to have the camera's going to be facing up because I need to turn the actual app on so the camera moves. But I just wanted to show you this to give you an idea. Okay, so now the wire will be facing down. Okay, so different ways to install this, and very easy. So you can, look, it's a little longer now because I showed you different ways, but it's really simple to do. In a matter of minutes, you can have your camera up and going. And I already checked it out. And it pans, it goes all the way around, up and down, and here it has a speaker, so you could hear what's going on around, and you could even speak into it. You can speak into your phone, and whoever's on the other side of this camera can hear you. Really cool. So I thank you once again for watching. I'll leave a link to the camera on the bottom of the video. What else? I'll leave a link to that stud finder just in case. And I thank you once again for watching. Thank you for your time. And please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll come back soon with another video for Junior's reviews and how-to videos. Thank you so much again. Appreciate it.